Good day, Bună ziua. Welcome to my vlog. This is my first voiceover, so please bear with me. I would be comfortable in speaking Tagalog, my native language, but I know I have a lot of Romanian friends that can only understand English, so I'll try my best. Today I'm taking you to a chalet. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. It's outside Arad, probably around 85 km away, or like an hour drive. It's not so far. I just checked in Google how to pronounce chalet. So it's a chalet. This chalet is owned by my Romanian friend. They're a couple with a son and a daughter. Here is David getting wood for the fireplace outside. I think the best part of being in the chalet is that you can actually make fire outside, which is so mesmerizing. It's my second time visiting this place. It's so quiet. It's near the nature. They also have a lake and mountain nearby that you can go for like a walk. And that is David, Marius, Adi, and bring a music box because it's part of the fun. The girl in the blue, that's Amelia, and the one with the pink jacket, that's Mihaela. Mihaela owns that chalet. And I think they're thinking, oh, that weird Asian girl likes to take video. I don't know what's with the fireplace, but I really, really like watching the fire in there. Or I really love a fireplace. It feels so cozy, warm, just so relaxing. And here you see David playing and also me trying to set up that camping chair. And Adi showed me where to put the cover for the chair because I was struggling for a minute there. That kettle is called mocha. I think that's an Italian. And I don't know how to use that because I normally use kettle. I don't know. Here Adi is teaching us how to add wood in the fireplace. And it doesn't seem so hard.
Știu, dar trebuie aici, nu știu ce să fac la...
De-aia asta mai încoace, să nu trag așa tare că...
David received a gift from Santa. It was a remote control jet, and he is showing me how to fly it. So that part of land where he is flying it, that's still part of their property, which is they plant corn. And now David is actually targeting me and Alex with that jet, so I was like ducking all the time. But Alex is a different story. He wants to catch it, and he could not because David is actually a really, really good in controlling that jet. And he loves planes. He's so fascinated with them. He also track flights. So he have this fascination of automotives, I think, but mainly planes and rockets. And here I'm actually asking him if he can flip, if he can do a flip, and he said no, it's so hard. But he tried this one and it almost crashed. Here they are preparing the grill for our lunch. They are going to grill some meats. I think it was the dog meat, chicken, beef, and pork. Now they will just make a fire out of those woods and then it will turn into charcoal and then they can put meat over it. As you can see here, we are just relaxing, having a good conversation. Next thing I know, we are playing tag. And Mia tried to she missed it, so now everyone's running around After tag, David asked us to play hide and seek. So this is more interesting. That is Amelia hiding behind the house with me. I was found first, and then Mia was hiding in that car for some time that she ended up with, I think, a back pain. You can just hear my laugh all the way. And now Amelia is hiding really, really well that David can't find her. Now it's Miha's turn to look for us. I was hiding. I just realized what that place is. I think that is where the toilet goes. But you know, hide and seek is, it comes with a risk. So you hide where you can hide. She almost saw me in this part, but it was just a tiny movement of a camera. And that is David there. Found after like a minute or so, because it's just like in front of the house or chalet. Now it's Amelia's turn, and I was thinking to run as fast as I can so I can hide outside where the bricks are. And look at me running. I should really do more cardios. She's there. Still haven't been found. She's behind the house right now. The others have been found. No, not yet. David is there. David is hiding. David is running. Let's see if. Okay, David is seen. Let's see about Miha. Oh. He's there. With the car. He's there. They're there. He's coming. Huh? Can't find Miha. No. Could not find Miha. Miha is so good in hiding. You could not find her. And she was just hiding inside the other car, in the black car. Another back pain for her. You're good. Now it's my turn to look for them. And this is the fastest ever. Because actually I could hear the car door closes. And I know someone is there. I actually saw Alex inside the car, but I will pretend that he's not there.
He's relaxing. Okay, I did not see that.
And then I just thought of opening the boot. And of course, David. And the fun part is actually Amelia was hiding behind that outhouse. And she was smoking, so I saw the smoke and found her straight away. And actually I found Miha after that. But of course, I should not forget about the little kid the car.
Hi.
Now we're just waiting for the charcoal to be ready so we can grill. While waiting, we were just talking, eating some carnats or sausages, and drinking some cola for me.
Hai cu mine, Alex, cu car.
Să nu dau eu.
And here you can see them having a good time. Miha and Adi are dancing, and Amelia is dancing also. And of course, she will join them because why not? And Marius behind there with Alex flying the jet.
Sărut femeie, ochii tăi frumoasă.
Here we have turkey, cured turkey, pork, and carnuts or sausage. They're really good. And now the meats are on the grill. They smell so good. Look at those juicy deliciousness charcoal grilled meats. And there you can see Adi putting the Romanian flag by the gate. And when you have meat, you need cartof prăjit or French fries. And the ladies are making salad or salad. And now we're just eating our late lunch or early dinner. The food was really delicious, good conversation, good people. It's really, really nice. And after that meal, we had to drink wine, and they have broth homemade from their garden. It was so good. It's like grape juice, but with alcohol, and you don't have a headache next day. Well, at least I didn't, because I did not really drink a lot. And here it's probably around like 5 p.m. We're just having a good time. We're talking, laughing, having wine.
Eu prea moale ea făloasă, eu o vreau ea nu să
And here another family arrived. They have brought pizza, homemade pizza. It's so good. The kids loves it. I loved it. Everyone loves it. Now this is around 9 p.m. I think we were just like relaxing a little bit. And now it's the next day. It's so peaceful but very cold. I think it was like -7. So I had just had my first coffee before going out to the woods for a little walk. So I wanted to have a voiceover on this one, but at the same time I will let you enjoy and immerse yourself and feel the essence of nature. So I will be quiet now. That is the lake or the fish pond. It's normally clear water, but it rained a few days ago, so it's a little muddy. That's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.